Alrighty, so a bit of a room tour. This is room 10655. It is a neighborhood balcony here on Oasis of the Seas. And what makes this room unique, of course, with the neighborhood balcony means that you have access to a balcony, but not just a balcony, but with one of Royal Caribbean's unique features, which is the neighborhood of Central Park. So now we have, I'm very close to Chop's Grill here. I'm very close to the elevator bay in room 10655. It is just me traveling solo, so I have two wonderful chairs and a table, so lots of room to stretch out, probably put my legs up. And then you have the bed pushed together. See how that feels? Probably not as hard as the usual Royal Caribbean beds, but I'm not holding my breath. We also have a couch here to relax, so you don't have to just sit in bed. You can relax on the couch. You have a TV that basically, I believe, moves, yes, so you can swivel towards the bed there. What else we got down here? We have a refrigerator, which will be great for keeping my bring your wine on wine chilled, if it will fit in there. Keep you cold. All right. Royal provides hand sanitizer, a mirror, variety of charger ports, and it's so helpful. You get one closet and a variety of little cubbies. I will say, perfect for a solo cruiser. Might be freaking out if it's more than one person in here, depending on how you pack. Some shelving for random items. Looks like a little bit of shelving here as well. Oops. You have a full-length mirror for when you are getting ready, just to double check your fit before leaving out. And last but not least, you have the bathroom here. There is a step up. Do your business. This cocoon shower is going to be an adjustment for me, but there you can see. Shower, at least it's hard side. So that's room 10655 on Royal Caribbean Oasis of the Seas. Hope you enjoyed this quick room tour, and looking forward to this being my home for the week, and maybe it'll be your home for the week as well.